Tell me about how foam applies.
Foam is great if you're repairing sidewalks, driveways. You're lifting them back up and you're getting them level. I've seen them do homes that way too, So it's good for leveling. I think it's good overall, but you still haven't addressed the problem. So if you lift a house up, major structure, and you lift it up an inch or two or whatever the measurement is, but it had heave, and that's the reason that it may pushed up over here and settled over here because it's a slab with post-tension cables in it. You still hadn't addressed why it moved,
Right.
which is the ground again. So those are what I call, at least in my mind, those are foundation repairs. You're fixing the home, but you're not fixing the ground. You haven't done anything to the ground. So when water migrates back in, that soil is going to push up on that foam and just push it right back up again.
Right.
Or settle. Either way.
Gotcha.
So it's it's good, but it still doesn't address the core problem if you have slab heave movement.